This is a 2010 Subaru Outback. This wagon has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 48,000 miles. This Subaru has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.